Hi boys and girls, today on KidStir we're going to do 2 Easter treats. We're going to do a bunny, inside he's a little Twinkie, and his steering wheel is going to be a pretzel. Then you will get some frosting. Now you will get white frosting. I had some yellow frosting left over, so I'm going to use that today. And you will get some frosting, and you will get 4 little Oreo cookies for your wheels of your little race car. Now this is your Twinkie. I'm going to open that up. And I know you're going to want to eat it, but let's make the car first. Okay, now, Miss Libby's got this all over. She's messy. Alright, now, we'll cut out part of the center so you can stick your little peep down inside your Twinkie, and there is his little steering wheel. The pretzel will be his little steering wheel. And then we will take our icing, put a little bit of icing on your cookie here, and then put it to the side here for the wheels. And then we're going to do our bunny dirt cups. You will get a container of chocolate pudding. Open up your chocolate pudding, put it in this cup. You will get another Oreo. Take your Oreo cookie and crumble it. And you will get a little Cadbury egg and some jelly beans to put on top of your dirt. And you will get your peep for that. And he will sit on top. And then you will get your Cadbury egg and some jelly beans to put on top. And your grass will be colored coconut, just to sprinkle on top. So this is what we're going to do today, okay? First thing we're gonna do, we've opened up our Twinkie. We'll get out one of our peeps. You will get 2 peeps in your little Ziploc bag. And we will take out our pretzel. That's your little steering wheel. Get this over here. And what you're going to do is, and I would suggest you have Mom help you do this, or Dad, or older brother and sister, whoever help you. You're going to have to cut out a little bit of the center of your Twinkie so you can set your peep and your pretzel down in there. So you just kind of take the top of it off. Okay, let's see if he'll sit down in there. You set your little peep there. And there's his steering wheel. Alright, there that is. Alright, now you place him in on your plate, like there. And if you want to eat the center of that, you can go right on and eat it. I'm going to wash off my hand. Of course, I got the filling on my fingers. Then you're going to open up your frosting. And like I said, you will have white frosting. I'm just going to use this yellow. And you put a little dab on your cookie. Just enough, right in the center, to hold your wheel on for your car. Don't need very much frosting, just a little bit. Alright, we've got the front wheels on. Alright, now we're going to put the back ones on. Alright, there's your little bunny car. Really, really simple to do. Alright, now we're going to do our dirt cut. Alright, now first thing we're going to do is open up our pudding cup. Now the pudding cup is really full. Well, maybe we'll get it open, maybe we won't. Hasn't been tampered with. Okay. All right. We're going to take a spoon and we're going to put our pudding down in your little cup. Now this is a deeper cup than what we really wanted, but that's all we could find this week, so the little squatty ones would have been nicer. So there is your pudding in there, so you can see it, it's clear. And we're gonna get our Oreo. And what you get to do is take your Oreo and crumble it up, because that's going to be your dirt. And if you want to eat the frosting off the middle, you can do that. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to this is your dirt. Just crumble it up. Take your grass, your colored coconut, sprinkle it on top. And then here's your little bunny. And granted, we need smaller cups. We really do. I'm going to go out and see if I can't find some. And then here is your little egg. And then you will have jelly beans that you're going to put around. But that's what he looks like. And I know it's hard for you to see. And he will sit down in that. But Miss Libby's going to go out and see if I can't find some shorter cups for you. But that's what he looks like, because these are just too deep. Okay? I hope you have a great time doing this and enjoy your snack after you get it made. Have a great day.